Hello and welcome. Let's check out this smart video doorbell named Mubview, and the model is Bell J9. It is wireless, rechargeable battery, and a lot of functions I'm going to show you later in the video. You can go to the App Store on your phone and download this app. It's very simple. I'm going to show you later, but first let's check out what's inside the box. Okay, of course we have the manual, and the bell itself looks really solid and modern black color. And this is a time they included 3 AAA batteries, so just put them on. To connect with your doorbell, just press the setting buttons and press the doorbell. Done. Okay, let me go out and install this to my door and show you the app. I almost forget this is its size. Make sure you fully charge this. And to remove the case, just use a little key to poke the hole right there. Okay, so after remove the case, I saw the little slots for the memory card. If you don't want to store your video on their cloud, just use some micro SD. Alright, it's time for the installation. Use the double tap to secure it temporarily. So take your time to level and secure the case. And I decided to put this thing right at the middle of my door because it's the best angle for the camera. The app is very simple. Just follow the step to sign in and register for your doorbell. Alright, let me quickly show you the setting of this camera. We have the motion detection if you want to turn it on. And the cool thing about this smart doorbell, you can record a voice message.
Hey,
I just
I
use some
am
AI
working
voice to
on something
create
with my
this.
voice and can't be at the door right now.
Okay, let's check out some live streaming right now, and make sure you use the 2.4 gig Wi-Fi to connect this. So another cool thing I like about this camera, it has the siren. Let's go outside and I'm gonna show you now. Whenever someone presses the doorbell, it will send you a notification to your phone, and you can either directly talk to them or you can send them a message. This is a message I created earlier,
Hey,
remember?
I am working on something with my voice and can't be at the door right now. Just leave your message and no soliciting, please. Have a good day.
And if you decide to talk to your guests, just pick up the phone and have a little fun by changing your voice.
Hello?
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 When live streaming, you can use this siren to give out a warning. It's pretty loud. Let me use my 5G to see how long it takes to connect to the live stream. Well, pretty fast, around 3 to 5 seconds. And now let's do the time delay test. It's good. Now let's test out the night vision. As you can see, I am totally in the dark right now, and you can see me right there. Okay, let me wrap up this video by showing you the first guest using my new doorbell. This guy showed up and he rang the doorbell. It took it's record like 6 seconds to my SD card. Alright, I really like this doorbell. The link in the description. You might check it out. Thank you for watching.